guys. It is freezing cold right now. It's like 40 degrees out. We're heading west, but also rising in elevation towards the mountains. It is super windy today. Look at the wind. It's pushing me everywhere. Just like leaning left the whole ride. And I put the cherry on top. There's like brambleweed that keeps flying by the road. You see that? Like this one right here. And then tries to get right in front of you, and then you gotta dodge them. God. There's small ones and there's big ones. Here comes another one. Look at this one. Oh God. Freaking everywhere. Ah! I'm like holding on tight. Holding on real tight right now. Whoa! Lean left, you idiot. We're heading towards the Red Rocks Canyon. It's freaking cold. I think I'm gonna ride that up and down and then figure it out. Whoa! I am playing Dodgems and I'm following this special K truck in front of me. Whoa! My God, I'm getting blown left, right, and sideways. Not in a good way. My goodness. We're heading into these mountains though. It's a nice view. It's also snowy in there. I can only imagine. Let's see. We're gonna head into the thick of it. Oh my goodness. And then tomorrow, or maybe today, we're gonna wind up on a famous Route 66 heading west. It's supposed to be a pretty shoddy road, but you gotta ride it if you're out here. So let's keep on trucking. It's cold, very cold right now. It's funny, it's so cold, my gas getting sucked away. What the hell? I just filled up and I'm already at half tank. I don't know if it's because of the cold. I guess so. Maybe the engine has to work harder. It's crazy. How do I already have half a tank? Freaking nuts. Coconino National Forest. Something like that.